Yo,
Yo.
how you doing, man?
Bad yourself?
I'm doing good. I heard that you're helping VR developers learn more about their users.
Exactly. So we created the first analytics platform for VR apps.
What's it called?
Retinad.
Retinad. That's
Retinad.
clever.
Thank you.
And who are you for the people?
You mean myself?
Yeah.
So I'm Sam.
Hello.
And I've been an entrepreneur for quite a while.
Yeah.
And for me, VR is just like, it's obvious that it's an incredible medium and it's going to be something that will change the future of humanity, and I just want to be part of it.
Yeah. Well, you're jumping in there and you're doing analytics, right?
Exactly.
So you're analytics, but it's Retinad. So where are you going?
So we originally wanted to be an ad network, and we might still become one, but for now we're really focusing on the analytics side. And eventually, if the market gets big enough to really have ads, because it's a user thing. If there's not a lot of users, advertisers are not interested in small markets like 1 million users. They want things with hundreds of millions of devices and stuff like that. And even if Oculus sells like 20 million headsets this year, it's still a very early market for ads.
Yeah.
But the big play for us is that for now we're an analytics platform, and eventually, if you want to monetize through ads, we'll be the first ones to create an ad network in a year or so.
Okay.
But for now, we really want to build the best analytics platform there is on the market, and it's free, so there's really no downside for developers.
So I'm assuming it's a Unity package.
Exactly.
It's
a Unity SDK. You just drag and drop it in your app, and you're done. It takes literally, we just did the test, and it takes like 32 seconds.
32 seconds.
32.
Not 30.
32.
Not 31.
If
but
you get
32.
above, call me. No. But seriously, it's ridiculous.
Super easy. So what kind of things are you measuring?
Like HMDs, everything.
So type of HMD?
Yeah, you would get anything you'd get on Mixpanel. We do. Plus, we have like 10 or 15 different metrics for VR. We'll also add a heat map in the coming month, so you'll be able to know where your users are looking in your app. And eventually as well positional tracking for heat maps, so you'll be able to move with actual coordinates in your map and know where people were looking at that point. We also are doing tons of analytics really specific to VR. We have a presence tracker, so we know if your users are getting sick playing your app, and we're just adding features every single day almost.
What are some of the more unique requests that you're getting from customers in terms of what they want to monitor? Because I'm assuming a lot of different types of games or different types of experiences might want to track their own types of metrics.
Yeah. So what you're referring to is called custom events, and basically there's like 100 possible answers. So we're just going to add the feature in about a month that you will be able to create your own custom events. So if you have a shooting game, you can basically track the numbers of bullets shot in average or stuff like that.
Got it.
That's just, it's in the pipeline. We're actually working on it right now.
That's really cool.
Thank you.
So how long have you guys been working on this?
So it's been, I think, 7 months, something of the sort. We managed to raise and really build a good company for that amount of time. Now we have about 90 developers signed up. We had, I think, 250,000 sessions so far, a few million events.
Awesome.
So the traction is really, honestly, it's beyond my expectations.
So you have 19 people integrating it into their
19.
apps. And you obviously want more, right? So if I'm building any sort of Unity app, I can drag and drop this in 32 seconds.
32.
And then are you guys going to go onto Unreal? Or are you going to go into these other platforms?
Yeah.
And tell me a little bit more about your timeline, because we know the consumer releases are coming Q1.
February.
I'm assuming a lot of it's going to be done on Unity, but Unreal is really picking up as a platform for VR, because one thing that I've noticed is that Unity's great for mobile games because you don't need that fidelity, but Unreal it's a little bit too much. Like, you don't need Unreal's power for a mobile game really, but for VR it makes such a difference.
Oh yeah.
So when are you looking to get into Unreal and these other platforms?
Unreal, I think we're aiming like December, something of the sort. So it's before the release, obviously, but it's probably not coming in October nor November. I'd say really December.
Is there like difficulty on the Unreal side, like not more so than the Unity side in building this?
The thing is, since like 90% of all, that's not the real number, I don't know the real number, but since like 99% of all VR apps are based on Unity, for us it just makes more sense to really focus on a product for Unity right now and build like an awesome experience. And then when we'll have done that, in like a few months, we'll switch to Unreal, but it's really not that far for us.
Right. So you're part of River too, yeah?
Yeah.
How's it going so far?
Oh, it's amazing. Honestly, our goal with River was to pick up more feedback from developers and just gain traction. And it's been like 7 days, and I think we've signed up like 30 new apps. So it's going
awesome.
very well. Yeah.
That's so 30 versus 19. You did it in a week.
90.
90. Oh, okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
I'm missing the little
French accent. Sorry.
So how big's your team right now, man?
So we're 6, and we're aiming to be like 10 by end of October.
Who are you hiring?
Mostly developers. Now we'll be hiring a lot of salespeople as well.
Okay, what kind of developers?
So mostly back-end, front-end. A bit on the VR side as well, so Unity.
So you're developers for the web platform, which is how you're serving up all the information.
Exactly.
Got it. So what's the domain? Where can people check you out?
So retinadvr.com. Otherwise, you can do retinad.io. We didn't get the .com yet. We're working on it.
It's a pain.
It's a pain.
It's a pain.
Yeah. But so retinad.io.
Awesome. And you said October is when you're going to look to be at 10. You got, in the next couple months, these new heat map features launching. And then ads.
Possibly
in the future.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why you're not trying to position yourself as ads right now? Because to me that obviously makes a lot of sense in the future. But clearly there's not enough content out there.
The thing is, we don't want to create a mixed message. We don't want to be like, are you an ad network or are you an analytics panel? For now, we're the best analytics panel you can find for VR, and that's what we want people to understand. We don't want people to know that we might end up doing like a shitty ad analytics panel and then like an okay ad network or something. So we want to build the best analytics panel there is, and then we'll do ads.
It's awesome. So how's TechCrunch going for you so far?
It's very cool, honestly. And like honestly, I didn't even know there was that much VR startups. I'm super surprised.
Dude, there's 60.
Yeah, there's 60, and that's
crazy.
like 10% of all VR startups. So what the hell happened in the last year?
It's crazy. I was at TechCrunch New York like 6 months ago. There was 2 VR startups
like
over the course of 3 days. Yeah, it was Fove.
Yeah.
And
a River company as well.
Yeah, another River company, and then another. I think it might have been Discover VR.
Yeah,
Discover pitched yesterday.
Yeah, I saw that
at the Battlefield. So it's awesome to see it getting in the limelight, man. Well, I totally appreciate what you're doing. These app developers need this information to make their stuff better.
That's our goal.
That's your goal. All right, Sam. Really dope talking to you.
Thank you.